This video is a review of the Paiseec S3 electric mobility scooter. I'm going to unbox, assemble, test, and review the scooter. Paiseec reached out to me asking me if I wanted to review their mobility scooter, and I agreed because I plan to give this to my elderly grandparent who needs a wheelchair. This should provide him with more freedom, being able to operate it himself, and relief to his caregivers. I wanted to see for myself how well this product worked before giving it to him, and demonstrate its capabilities so you're able to make an informed decision whether to purchase one of these. The S3 has a powerful 250 watt motor that can hit 6.2 miles per hour, removable battery with up to 25 miles per charge, large easy to read dashboard, smart speed controls, on-seat sensor, headlights, horn, large basket hook, and adjustable armrests. It can tackle all level and unlevel terrains like grass and gravel, takes less than 1 minute to fold and unfold, and can fit in a trunk easily. Let's get started. This is the box that it came in. It's 40 inches long, 23 inches deep by 21 inches high, and even though it says it's 61 pounds, the box feels like it's over 90 pounds. This is the charger. There's a basket, the instruction manual, Let's take a look at the instruction manual. You can pause at any time to see this in detail. Here's the contents, the different parts, how to unfold it, disassembling it, battery detachment and placement, accessory installation, how to use it, power on inspection, operation, braking, turning, seat rotation, indicator descriptions, volume prompt adjustment, battery and charging, charger, battery maintenance and charging precautions, product daily care guidelines, product specifications, common malfunctions and troubleshooting, warranty, warnings and precautions, and product warranty card. Let's assemble the mobility scooter. We'll pull the handlebar stem upwards. There's a lever right here that we'll need to pull to lock it in place. We'll raise the seat by pulling the back headrest until you hear it click. You can move the handrest forward. We can also install the front basket. There's 4 grooves that we need to line up over here and then pull it downward so that stays in place. In order to fold it, we'll take the basket off. To fold the seat, we'll pull this lever underneath the seat and then pull the seat down. Fold the handrest backward, pull this lever, and then fold this downwards. So when it's folded, it's about 22 inches wide, 38 inches long, 17 inches high. Here's the back of the charging power brick. We'll take this plug it in here. The charging port is right underneath the steering handlebar. There might be a rubber piece that covers it. Pull that downwards, plug this end of the charger in there, and then plug the other end into the outlet. There's an LED indicator here. It'll be red when it's charging and it'll be green when it's fully charged. Another way to charge it is to remove the battery, which is located here. We'll take our key. There's 2 by the steering wheel. Put it in here. Turn it clockwise to pull this cover off. We'll need to pull this strap straight upward You can see the contacts over here. This is the bottom of the battery and the charging port is right here. We can take the battery out and charge it separately. I'm going to pull the Velcro off so you can see the model number. This is the model number of the battery. The bottom, the side, the top, the other side. Putting the strap back on, I'll drop the battery back into place and put this cover back on. With the cover in place, we'll turn the key counterclockwise. The electromagnetic brake is under the bumper, so if I try pushing the scooter, it's not going to move. But if I pull this red lever, I can now push it easily. There's also anti-tip wheels in the back. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. We have the ignition right here. We'll put our key inside, turn it clockwise.
Electromagnetic brake must be turned off before driving.
When I first started the scooter, I had the electromagnetic brake lever off and it was giving me a warning, so I had to put that back up. Looking at the display, there's a lightning icon right here. If the charger was plugged in, this would be lit up. This is the battery indicator. There's 6 bars. We're currently at 5. This is the current speed in miles per hour. If we press the headlight button, this lights up. We can see that the headlight is on. This shield looking icon is the safety indicator. When it's off, the PAI safety system is not activated. If it's white, the PAI safety system is activated to detect road conditions and optimize mobility scooter operation for a better driving experience. And then this is the riding status indicator. When it's white, it's normal for riding usage. If it's red, it's unable to ride. And reasons could be A, failure to sit on the seat. I'm not sitting on it right now. B, putting the mode knob into walk mode when riding on a steep slope. C, the indicator light becomes red after mobility is started. And throttle lever toggle mobility scooter. The throttle lever must be released and mobility scooter restarted to be able to use it normally. D, during the mode knob adjustment process, if the mode knob adjustment knob is not adjusted to the correct position, the red light will also appear when in between mode knob. After adjusting to the correct position, the light will turn off. I'm putting my hand on the seat and I see that it's turning white now. We have different modes. We have reverse, low, medium, high, walk. Going reverse, the scooter will go backwards. In low, the top speed is 2 miles per hour. In medium, the top speed is 4 miles per hour. High, the max speed is 6 miles per hour. And then walk, I think that disables the brake and you can push the entire scooter. This is the horn. I'm going to test these in real life situations in another video, but for now I'm just going to test to see if it works. So the first thing I'll do is go in reverse.
Reversing. Caution, please.
And there is an audible warning if I press one of these levers, either the right or the left.
Reversing. Caution, please.
I move back.
Reversing. Caution. Reversing. Caution, please.
When I let go of the throttle, it automatically brakes. I can go to low. Same with medium and high. And then for walk,
hold the throttle lever to walk the cart and release to stop.
If you try pushing it, it's not going to work. You have to press and hold the lever and then it releases the brake, so you can push this without much resistance. And I can turn this around if I wanted to. I can do it with one hand. By default, the volume is at 100%. In order to change it to 50% or mute it, we need to turn it on. We have to make sure we're in the walk mode. We need to press the headlight button so the headlight is on. We'll press and hold the horn button for 8 seconds until we hear the voice, volume adjusted to 50%. Let's press the horn button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Volume adjusted to 50%. Please drive with caution.
It says we need to repeat the same process to mute it. I don't know if that's necessary. I'll try pressing and holding the horn for 8 seconds again and see if it mutes it.
Silent mode activated. Please drive with caution.
Silent mode has been activated, so there's no more audible announcements. The horn will still work when it's muted, but the other notifications like reversing and walking should not be on. And then in order to put it back to 100%, we need to press and hold the horn button for 8 seconds.
Silent mode deactivated.
And to turn it off, we'll turn the key counterclockwise. With the scooter folded, the rear brake can still be on. You can lift the bar in the front so that the rear wheels are off the ground and that they're resting on the anti-tipping wheels. And then you can pull the scooter easily without much resistance, and you can walk it along the sidewalk into your vehicle or inside a building. This concludes the unboxing, assembly, and functions overview video. Please check the description section below for the next video with a link to the real-life test and review.